All right, this is my first day actually commuting to work with the Canyon Grail on. Really having a great time. A couple things to note that I wasn't expecting. The Spider Panier rack doesn't really fit my Ortlieb vario backpack, unfortunately. So this morning I had to pivot real quick to just another pannier. But what happens is when you get this hooked on, kind of knocks against the back tire like that a little bit, and I tried to set these. I might be able to get it. I didn't have enough time this morning to really do a lot of deep dive into figuring out what was going on. Otherwise, let's see. The Po Campo bag worked very well. No real complaints. My legs kind of touch it, but it's really just if I'm not riding appropriately. Otherwise, if I have a good position and posture, everything's working fine. Oh, lastly, the thing I really loved today was this Topeak kickstand. Now, it's definitely not rated for this weight entirely, but in terms of just kind of like setting it up against something and feeling good about having a bit of stability while you do some maintenance or whatever, this thing was solid. But essentially, it's just this little thing. Hooks onto your pedal like that, and then you just lean it onto the ground like that. So definitely not weight rated for this entire bike, but certainly something that's helpful when I was just doing a little bit of maintenance, and I had just kind of a tree to pop up against or a wall to pop up against. And yeah, otherwise good stuff. The battery kind of depleted. I did get about, 24 miles today, and I did maybe 10 miles or 15 miles the other day. So definitely drains the battery quite a bit when you're trying to keep a good pace. I had about a 19 mile an hour pace this morning and 20 mile an hour pace this afternoon. But yeah, really fun. Excited for more days of riding into work with this beauty. I almost forgot, the last really major thing I wanted to add are these darn Magpedals. These gravel Magpedals are freaking amazing. They work just freaking perfectly. They hold your feet real tight if you need them to, and if you don't, you can kind of pop them off in a bunch of different ways, either roll them to the side like a traditional clipless, or you can kind of peek up the tip of your toe to kind of release some tension on the back. They're really fun. Definitely recommend them, and certainly looking into maybe getting them for other bikes. Yeah, that's how they look on the bottom of the shoe, and they just, what I really like about them versus other clipless is the weight of the magnet kind of keeps the back end down, so when you're trying to clip in after clipping out, it's really easy to just kind of slide your toe right back over and you're good to go.